Open the floor plan and rate each layout type using the following principles. To rate the layouts of various types of apartments, use an expert opinion method with a rating scale from 1, extremely bad, to 10, best possible. The same rating can be used multiple times. The key rating principle is that any apartment is eligible for a rating of 10 by default. However, not all apartments are perceived by potential buyers in the same way. Given that ratings are subjective and rating parameters are personal, we cannot establish a single rating scale. There are, however, common perceptions regarding some architectural and space planning concepts that can impact the demand for or the image of an apartment among the potential clients. Apartment types are rated by subtracting points from the maximum rating based on following factors. The first factor is the regular or disproportionate geometry of the apartment. Rectangular, regular-shaped apartments are perceived by clients as ideal. Any additional corners, elongated geometry, etc. are features that reduce the rating. For this factor, please subtract 2 points from the maximum rating. The next factor is a 2-level apartment. 1-level apartments are the best in terms of customer perception. Clients like 2-level apartments less than 1-level apartments. For this factor, subtract 1 point from the maximum rating. If the apartment consists of 3 or more levels, subtract 2 points from the maximum rating. The next factor is long or composite, for example, L-shaped, D-shaped corridors. Apartments with minimum corridor space are perceived by clients as ideal. For this factor, subtract 1 point from the maximum rating. The next factor is the lack of walk-in closets or storage space. Subtract 1 point from the maximum rating. If functional area parameters are inconsistent with the class of the apartment, for example, a premium class apartment has a small 8 square meters, separated kitchen, small bathroom, or insufficient number of bathrooms, or small bedroom of less than 6 square meters, subtract 1 point from the maximum rating. The next factor is the ratio between the apartment's usable area and its total area. Transit zones such as corridor hall spaces, utility spaces should not occupy more than 20% of the total area. If the utility zone exceeds 20% of the total area, subtract 1 point from the maximum rating. The next factor is poor natural lighting conditions, small windows. We consider the floor-to-ceiling windows along the entire length of the wall to be the optimal type of windows. If windows are smaller than the area where windows are placed, we have to subtract points based on the following formula. Subtract points equal to 1 minus k multiplied by 2, where k equals to area of all windows divided by area of all surfaces on which windows are located. For example, the height of the walls is 2.7 meters. The length of the walls on which the windows are located is 3 and 4 meters respectively. The project provides 3 windows with dimensions of 1.8 multiplied by 1.5 square meters. Therefore, k equals to 3 multiplied by 1.8 multiplied by 1.5 divided by 2.7 multiplied by 3 plus 4, which equals to 0.429. Subtract points equal to 1 minus 0.429 multiplied by 2, which equals to 1.142. Round the points to the nearest whole number. In this case, it is 1.